Hagedonut bakmen jong Shillong Archdiocese bat kathan chantai lamingi kari India. Banyo rakhi yak jingdap basan pausnam jong jingiasyllok ki Father Jesuit bat ki paj blay hag jingwan jngoh ban shimenta yak jingpenkut yak jubilik siar. Pensngau Father General Father Arturo Sosa hakangu kadem blay men haga kendai terik benail ber ha parish umbir. Hag jingwan jngoh jong teu hehduh ke jingiasyllok Jesuit hag kathan chantai lamingi kari India. Ya kebalak senran dan keling dok seblay ketika jingiasyllok buat keling dok barok jeng kilai teli ke diocese buat kentop ya ke juai kenong sen buat ke Shillong Archdiocese dengkat bagi paj blay hakim men ki para hau Jesuit Christ ngelai lum lang ban aingo yu blay na ke benta ke jingai jeng blay ya ke tan chatel mengi kamtam ya ke jela megalaya kebadan ya ke kam yalap jeng blay ban penroi ya ke jingai jeng Christ kisan paus nam ki belalet kilong ki jengkerku jeng ke jingiat ya ke Seng jingiasyllok Jesuit Lani ke Society of Jesus kebelawan ban cakri hakilom kasi ban nagalan kisan paus nam kijingya yenti kilong kijing tenju handai kilong bajob namar balak pendap da kijingya ha kijingya ngo jung u yo blay haringkat kilong trelang ban ai ka khbor jong mensi makhot kembala thrang du kpa bakhot upo Francis balak keren ban wan ha kijing bat jemberkat ke basida ban pentamai ya ka balak let no kadai ban ai ngo ban tip ban sa ya ka menta bat ban sliang kebakhadu ban perkhat ya kalawai da kejingkemen susu ha kini kejingilom lang kum ka knhon kam lani ha kno gano ka knhon kolong ban kintiu ya kikam ki babha ki bate ya ki mlang salang haba benrap ikikam juga jingiasyllok Jesuit ha kathan chade lamingi kolong ka khanatang ban sadu ya kabala kwa donong Seng hi ketika jingiasyllok Saint Ignatius of Loyola ban perkhat ban im ha ki binta jang ka berthei kedan kejingkemen ke bakrautam ban cakri ya ublei ha kitu ki mensiam ki badan kam Usoblay Arturo Sosa belai tu khana lingkot ia kejingdan kam jang Seng bandan hakini gitan pada hakari India borok kewe kolong kebudan kam bau kpa bukhoi po Francis hakajing ai jingkren hakajing lang ba jang jingslok kani ke Seng house nam ajak handeu kadai benyakun ia kejing tenju bamla bantip nija kembau Saint Francis Xavier Jesuit missionary belawan se India ulang kanuksa ka bakrau kum kejing ai mensiam ni kibamenta Kalade ke jingpa jung blay yo teu lingdo so blay Francis Xavier lingba Ignatius bakhot kam ka kintin go bat penbena ya ke berthei ba ke jing shai kan wan
The holy season of Lent. Like every liturgical season, Lent has its own specific message and praise to the community of the faithful, which is powerful and highlighted in today's Gospel. Be compassionate as your Heavenly Father is compassionate. Do not judge, and you will not be judged yourself. Do not condemn, and you will not be condemned yourself. Grant pardon, and you will be pardoned. Give, and there will be gift for you, a full measure, pressed down, running over. Because the amount you will measure out is the amount you will be given by. The key words of this gospel and this message we are receiving today from the good news are compassion and generosity, reconciliation and readiness to share what we have with those who have not. In other words, be reconciled and generous with one another, and your loving Father in heaven will be abundantly generous towards you with his mercy and blessings. The compassion Jesus asks to us is to show towards others is a shadow of the infinite compassion that God our loving Father shows toward us. The pardon we seek from God is inseparably linked to the pardon we are ready to extend to others who offend and hurt us. In the Our Father, we pray more than once a day. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Jesus himself is the visible image of our invisible Heavenly Father, the God Shepherd, the Good Shepherd, who goes seeking the lost sheep, leaving the 99 who do not stray. The merciful Father embracing the prodigal son with love when he returned from a sinful life. In his compassion towards sinners, the poor and the sick, the broken and the marginalized, Jesus reveals to us the loving and merciful face of the Father. I make it a necessary condition that we forgive one another. In Luke's Gospel, we hear Jesus telling his apostles, if a brother wrongs you 7 times a day, and 7 times he comes back to you and says, I'm sorry, you must forgive me, the apostle realized that this is indeed very, very difficult, unless they have a big faith. So they say to the Lord, increase our faith. It is only this faith in God, whose love and mercy we experience, that can give us the grace to strength to forgive others.
Kading sinay, kung Yesu kwa ini bagindan, bagin panihan di way, kadai takasan niyo dong kading sinay kabajanay, kapag pa udan. Kading nga, kapag maging ima di way, kadai tang namar pa ulay ulama nungkong ini, kadai ma kong ini. Bad mana kasingin di way, naglong na si Seng ni Asen yang di way kukupan ini, pada di way mong tamah ini kengkang ini kumangirong ima. Kepada sendiri ini. Ujisu, udai kadul kadar, jom udai nombor mengham. Paduni udai ulang mengabang berbahah. Ubah kelai bandi ikhlas kenai di nombor halom. Ban leguat watang yai wei nombor ibadah. Udai ulang upah ubah kelai dan piam dan tidak kada kejadian ukon cukup. Ubalah hehduh, ubalah ledno, ubalah jngoh, ndai balawan hai dan ubalah kalabangun. Ujisu penpau, ubalai, upenpau yang dijumlah macam ubalai, haba mau ubalai isnai yang dinompot, yang dibaduk, yang dipapang, dibasampak, dibapai tanur, dibasa leben, dibasa ben. Upenpau yang khidmat macam ubalai, ubadap dah kejing isnai, dah kejing mak, pada bakwa ini ru, bangin dan kejing isnai dan kejing mak itu.
Jingiasyllok Reunion Jesuit Shillong Archdiocese kelap pedang burom yo he ketika jingiasyllok Superior General Soblei Arturo Sosa Abaskal SJ men haga kendai tarik benai lebar haga parish umbir yaute Superior General la senalang de kiling dok Soblei jong Seng Jesuit naga jelas hate lam mingi kari bod Soblei Robert Foreman o parish priest ka umbir bat kipat unget barok haga jingwan jong te he ketika jingiasyllok Shillong Archdiocese kalong bantuk khamha bad yajan bad kipai ublei khamtam hag jingi trikam banjadei bad kiwei bad jingiasyllok kibadan hag Shillong Archdiocese nagalyang ke Shillong Archdiocese usablei John Madur badai administrator ula pedang burom yote uhe ke Jesuit hag jing senalang kiling do ka Archdiocese hag baute uhe u ai burom ya kene ka Archdiocese ba kilong ki baklut mensim hag jing pedang burom yote usablei Arturo Sosa Abaskal apelong de jing lang pat ba ringkat ke cultural program ya kabala ai di samla jeng ke parish umbir dak jing ruai ki bakenthop na ki school bat ke jing penkop rindia yote Superior General bat ke jing ai memento shushu hag program pediang burom sablei John Madur administrator lapen sngau ya ke khanatang jong ke jingwan poi jeng Father Jesuit hag Shillong Archdiocese hadir ke jing pet ki Father Salvatorian hadir ke thama baar sablei John Madur ulai tho hadir ki Father Salvatorian ki balong ki nong mai chra ya ke jinget harilom khasi jengtia namar gathma la shimti de Jesuit shipor banang ni la penbahaya ka kam yalap hang ni harulum khasi hadu kini kisingi wala gata ka Shillong Archdiocese kadang kenmau bat kentiang ya ki kam jong kini ka Seng Kumta kum ka brom ka Shillong Archdiocese kala ay benta ya kini ka Seng banyarap pitlem ha ka bansara ya ka parish. Shillong Archdiocese ka parish umbir kalong kawe ka badai ha ka jingpet jong kini ka jingiasyllok. Hanong Seng diocese ka mawai parish la shimti da ka Seng Jesuit. Hajuwai diocese ka beri ka parish jalaphet. Shushu usablay John Modur la pensngau baga Seng Jesuit kala nang yar ka tenat. Ka balak don ya ka jika puli balong reunion ka badan ha mau syo ro. Ketika cultural program lai don lang do menteri ramba ke jelah ukon rat ke sama ubal ai ke jingkren ba jero iki kam jong ke jingpenya dia ka kam mission jong ke balang bat ke Seng jong fada ke badan ha ke jelah bat hari India u menteri ramba ula ai ke jing sango e ga balang bat ke missionary ke belala ban penang penstat ya ke nonglam ke jelah ban mi shikmat ban sinsyar ya ke jelah ula ai nuksa yo kepala jong uporno e sangma uba yo jing start na kilingdo ula khol aware gi pat ke jelah bat ki pat kristan banya trelang bat ke sarkar naga benta ke jing mentoi jong pat ba ki balai don lang ha ke kisni ki kentop ru UMP ke Shillong Parliament ma Vincent H Pala u MLA ke umsning uba Jason Saukmi maulong ke kong Magdalene Saukmi MDC umsning bat ki officer.
Rather we have the Jesuits with us. It was in 1915 at a very trying time. The war and the Salvatorian missionaries were sent away from our land, from northeast, that the office of the Holy Father, Propaganda Fide, asked the Jesuits of Calcutta to take over the mission of Assam. At that time, it was Father Paul Lefebvre, where there were many priests, many parishes, many missions. He was alone, but I think he, being a Jesuit, took up the challenge. So he came to Shillong on the 22nd of June 1915, became the mission superior of Northeast India, the present Northeast India, which was then the mission of Assam. Afterwards came 4 or 5 more Jesuits, but only that. For 7 years, they toiled hard in this mission. For 7 years, they gave their time, their energy, money, whatever they have to give, they gave. Till 1922, when the Salesian missionaries took over from the Jesuits. But then this one Jesuit, Father Paul Lefebvre, loved our people so much that he did not want to go back. Just at the time when he was supposed to go back to Calcutta, he died. And his mortal remains were interred there in the cathedral cemetery. And it was only on his tomb that it was inscribed in Kasi, Unong Sharai Babha, the good shepherd. I hope the Jesuits still keep that writing in his tomb here in Maushoro. Because his was the only one written in Kasi, Unong Sharai Babha, the good shepherd, Paul Lefebvre. And of course the others went back to Calcutta, the Belgian Jesuits, but then he remained on and waiting for the Jesuits to come back. And they came back after 84 years. And when the mission of Mount 8, now in the Diocese of Nostoin, was opened, it was no more the Belgians, it was no more the people from Europe, but it was the sons of the soil who took over as Jesuits and as parishioners. So, for us, it is not a celebration of 50 years, it is a celebration of the coming back after so many, many years.
Done by the Jesuits, and we know the kind of work that the Jesuits are doing throughout the world. I think we are I think it's very much in line with what we have been thinking. My father used to always tell us that we need to plant people. You see, and he used to always say, if we really want to transform our nation, we must plant people. We must nurture people. Because if we invest in human beings, if we invest in nurturing our youngsters, that is the only way we can see or we'll be able to carry forward our state and our country in a very, very productive manner all the way, to the future.
I have come to participate in the Golden Jubilee of Kohima Jesuit region, and I join you in all thanking the Lord for the many blessings we have received from His loving hands in the past 50 graceful years. Today, I want to recall with gratitude the special favor God has shown toward the cases of Meghalaya who have received the gospel and embraced the Christian faith much before the other states and tribes of the Northeast India. The Christian faith, your ancestors embraced, far from alienating them and you from your traditions and values, has accepted and enriched all that is good and beautiful in them, making the gospel come alive and relevant with your life. The church missions, therefore, also the Jesuit mission, is not to deny the cultures, but rather to facilitate the encounter of local culture with the gospel, to inculcate the faith in your beautiful tradition.